Last and final over of CCL Season 4.
And we are back. The last over of Celebrity Cricket League 2014.
Super shot for 4.
And that's gone for a boundary. They're not giving up. It's getting over. This wonderful tournament is getting over. Well, once again, thanks to all our sponsors. Thank you, Panasonic. Our radio partners, India's #1 radio station, 92.7 Big FM, Suno Sunao, Live Banao, Mobi Fusion, Goa Nico Fix, Parley 2020 cookies. And that's coming to an end. Bhaskar is happy.
जी हाँ, प्रयास पूरा कर रहे हैं पर यहाँ पे सफलता मिलती हुई भास्कर को एक बार फिर उठा के खेलने का प्रयास किया था, भारी किनारा और बहुत ही आसान सा कैच। प्रदीप ऐसे मौके गवाएंगे नहीं, सीधा उनके हाथ में जाती हुई। और रहमान जिन्होंने एक चौका लगाया था इससे पहले, इस गेंद से पहले, देखिए किस प्रकार सेलिब्रेट करते हुए, खुशी अब इजहार करते हुए यहाँ पे भास्कर। रहमान आउट हुए 7 रन बना के 173 पे 8। तो आखिरी 4 गेंदें अब इस संस्करण की, इसको धकेलते हुए ज्यादा फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं। और वही जानते हैं सुदीप जो कि कप्तान कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स के, जो टास्क है, जो इक्वेशन है, लगभग नामुमकिन।
38 runs needed.
भास्कर बल्लेबाजी में, गेंदबाजी में अव्वल, और ये इस सीजन का आखिरी ओवर फेंकते हुए लास्ट 2 डिलीवरीज। और पूरी तरह से फ्लाइट दे रहे हैं, ललचा रहे हैं बल्लेबाज को कि बड़ा शॉट खेले। अशोक खेनी जो कि मालिक हैं कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स के टीम ओनर, काफी प्रसन्न होंगे और क्यों नहीं। बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रदर्शन किया है, एकजुट होकर खेला है टीम ने। और यहाँ पे तो मैं मंत्र तारीफ करना चाहूंगा कप्तान सुदीप की भी, बढ़िया कप्तानी रही है। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, सेलिब्रिटी क्रिकेट लीग 2014 की आखिरी डिलीवरी। Take a look at the fielders. They've all come in. Ladies and gentlemen, you're witnessing history in the making. Karnataka Bulldozers retain their championship. कितने प्रसन्न, बढ़िया तरीके से फ्रंट से टीम को लीड किया है, खुद अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है, बढ़िया कीपिंग की है, बेशक चोटिल भी हो जाए, बने रहे हैं, दृढ़ संकल्प नजर आया है। सेलिब्रिटी क्रिकेट लीग ने बहुत कुछ दिया इस पूरे सीजन के दौरान, एंटरटेनमेंट, गुड क्रिकेट, और उससे कहीं ज्यादा दोस्त, फ्रेंड्स दैट वी मेड हियर ड्यूरिंग दिस टूर्नामेंट। अलग अलग फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लोग एक दूसरे से मिले, कई नई फिल्में साइन हुई, कई क्रॉस बॉर्डर सॉर्ट ऑफ सिनेमा के बारे में डिस्कशन हुआ, क्रिकेट के फील्ड के बाहर जब भी मुलाकातें हुई। आई एम श्योर आने वाले दिनों के अंदर आप बहुत सारे कन्नड़ा फिल्म स्टार्स को, बॉलीवुड में बॉलीवुड फिल्म स्टार्स को, मलयालम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के अंदर तेलुगु फिल्म स्टार्स को, भोजपुरी फिल्मों में भोजपुरी फिल्मी कलाकारों को। राइनोज के साथ, चेन्नई राइनोज ने पहले संस्करण और दूसरे संस्करण में खिताब जीता था, डिफेंडिंग चैंपियंस थे कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स। देखिए किस प्रकार पूरे ये लैप लगाते हुए, विनिंग लैप लेते हुए, और निश्चित तौर पे एक एक खिलाड़ी, एक एक समर्थक कितना खुश होगा, इसका बयान करना बहुत ही मुश्किल मंत्र। Kecha, the man with style, whatever he does it in style. फिल्मों में देखिए, क्रिकेट के मैदान पे देखिए, या रियल लाइफ में देखिए। मैदान पर पार्टी का माहौल। मुझे तो लग रहा है कि बस ये लोग वापस होटल जाने का इंतजार भी नहीं करेंगे, यहीं चालू हो जाने वाले हैं। जी हाँ, देखिए अभी ये जो मूवमेंट्स है ये बार बार आती नहीं है, और इसके लिए इन्होंने बहुत तपस्या की है, मेहनत की है, परिश्रम किया है। ये मुकाबले जीतने आसान रहते नहीं, पर जो लंबा सफर तय किया पूरी तरह से डिजर्व करती है कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स टीम। और
somebody wearing, yeah, Mr. N.K. Rao, thank you for coming up. Almost forgot. Thank you for your support to the Kerala strikers. And guess what? The coolest player of the match, Arjun Nandkumar. What a fine 78. Well played. Little consolation, but a fantastic knock. Okay, not just yet. Hold on to the confetti. Oh, many awards to be still given. Okay, and one final award for the match. The man of the match, for which can I request Shruti to please take a step forward and present this wonderful trophy. Well, Rajiv, we've got a little reward for you for all that dunking. It is from Karnataka Bulldozers for his magnificent 100, Rajiv! Ouch. Well done, champ. All right, here we go. Man of the match. Magnificent 100 today. All right, best batsman. Let's get to the... It's not over yet. We've got a few series awards to be given away, followed, of course, by the medals. So here we go. The series awards. We have 3. The best batsman of the series to be given away by Manoj Tiwari, who should have won it himself, but not this time. If you'll step forward. Here's that wonderful award. हाँ खुद भी ले जा सकते हैं आप, लेकिन इस बार किसी और को दे दीजिए. चलिए. Be generous. For 291 runs, I've said it before, but I'll say it again. The man who didn't put a foot wrong, who could do no wrong, easily one of the biggest stars of CCL 4, Pradeep from Karnataka Bulldozers. Walking up. And Pradeep, you're lucky. Pradeep, you're very lucky that all the water was finished on Rajiv. Well done, champ. Thoroughly deserved. And from another superstar, Manoj Tiwari, thank you for handing the award over. And good luck to Bhojpuri Dabangs next time. We also have a best bowler of the series to be given away by Jishu. Jishu, if you'll step forward, please, to give this award away. And the award goes to a man who may not be here today, but an incredible economy rate with, before the start of this match, the highest number of wickets. Will somebody from the Mumbai Heroes come and accept it on behalf of Bobby Dale? Whoa! Sham, I know you represent many cities and many people, but today on behalf of the Mumbai Heroes, that's for Bobby Dale. And can I request Mr. J.M. Joshi to please step forward to give our Man of the Series award. Okay, Mr. Joshi, here's the award, magnificent looking. And remember, of course, after this award, we give the individual medals away, so it's not over just yet. 271 wickets, runs, many wickets, bag full of wickets. If I've said that Pradeep could do no wrong, this man stayed and finished matches as well. It is the incomparable Dhruv Sharma, man of the series of the Goa Nikofix Celebrity Cricket League Season 4, and a fine young man to boot. 016 Dhruv Sharma, congratulations. Okay, that leaves only the medals and the trophies to be given away for the final. Can I please request Mr. Ashok Kenny and of course Binish, everybody else, now's the time. We'll give you 15 seconds to rejoice with the trophy, not more. Okay, everybody try and fit into the frame quickly because we've got 10 more seconds. Congratulations again, the Kerala Strikers. Magnificent show, making it all the way through to the final of our presentation ceremony of the Goa Nikofix Celebrity Cricket League Season 4. So before we give that trophy away, can I please thank everybody, including Grey Matter, who put the television together, the people of Hyderabad and all the rest of the cities. A big special round of applause to the founder of the CCL and the rest of the directors. And of course the presentation party today which may not be listening because such is the moment. The time now, Mr. Joshi, to give the trophy away to Sudeep, the captain of the Karnataka Bulldozers, and the rest of his team. Congratulations, the champions of the Goa Nickel Fix Celebrity Cricket League Season 4. Okay. Mr. Kenny, can I please request you to officially close in, join the team a little further in. Special request, Mr. Joshi, Mr. Kenny. And that, ladies and gentlemen, as the Karnataka Bulldozers enjoy the moment, is the end of the presentation ceremony. Thank you for joining us. Back to the studio.
There you go. CCL 2014 champions, Karnataka Bulldozers. And as the placard very clearly suggests, champions they are. What a beautiful match. What a beautiful, beautiful performance through the CCL. What are your thoughts, Sanjay?
Absolutely. Happy moments, winning smiles all across Karnataka, and the Karnataka Bulldozers coming out there and retaining their crown which they won in CCL 3. Very convincing, very clinical performance, a confident bunch, and yes, the owner, the skipper and the entire team must be happy and very happy, and the party will continue till the wee hours of the morning.
I hope we're invited for that party because it's going to be one great party.
Absolutely. No party can be complete without us because we begin the show and we end the show. So the party has to have us there.
But the show's not over yet, you know. No. The show's not over yet because once the party happens is when we enter and we'll, as you said, started and finished.
Absolutely. And party all night.
But you know, on a serious note, every face out there, every face is absolutely filled with pride. And look at Sudeep. At the end of the day, he led from the front and every team member out here participated, whether they were on field or behind.
Absolutely.